Alright, we're gonna try this Rust-Oleum headlight restoration. Here's what the kit looks like and what's included. You are gonna have to use your own drill, so a couple of washcloth or microfiber cloth and water with a little bit of soap. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, first thing I did was mask off any areas I don't want to get in contact with sandpaper. So basically the silver trimming around the headlights, some of the paint, and just use some masking tape. Alright, so I went ahead and masked off all the chrome areas, some of the paint, just to make sure that you don't scratch it off when you start going at it with your drill and sandpaper. But as you can see with the results so far, I've finished the headlights, and man, it is looking beautiful and brand spanking new. It used to be really gray, and just as you can see from this build up over time, I did about 4 or 5 passes of each of these sandpaper. So it started off with the 800 grit, moved on to the 1500 to the 2000, and then finished it off with the polish. You do want to keep your lens wet at all times, from preventing from scratches and also any further damage you want to do with that. But this is the other side. I finished it as well. So now I'm going to do, or I'm about to do, the daytime running lights on this side too as well. So got those masked off, and I'll make sure to film that process. Clean the surface area. I use a soap water mix and a microfiber cloth, and then go ahead and grab my drill with the 800 grit, and then soak the surface area. I also like to just go ahead and put a little bit of water and soap mixture on the sandpaper itself, and go ahead and go. Once you see it starts drying up, go ahead and spray more water. And as far as the pressure with the drill bit, or with the drill, it's very light pressure is what I like to do. You don't want to go too deep on the lens. Might cause more damage that way. Go ahead and wet that a little bit more. Wipe it down. You can see it working already, but again, I like to do about 4 to 5 passes to really get in there and get all that stuff out. Plus you get a better result as well. So as you can tell, the haze, I did about 4 or 5 passes like I said previously. This is great progress. This is what you actually want, and I did both sides, and now I'll be moving on to the 1500 grit sandpaper. And again, the same process, 4 to 5 passes, keeping everything nice and wet on the lens, and then we'll move on to the fine 2000 grit afterwards. So this is after the 2000 grit. As you can see, most of the haze has disappeared, and then the next phase will be the polish. And on the other side, I will go ahead and hit it with the 2000 grit. And again, this is with the 1500 grit that I did after the 800 grit sandpaper. So 1500 and 2000. So you can definitely tell the difference, how everything's working out just great. Right? Alright, so now it's time for polish.
And the boss.
Yes.
And we need the boss.
Go ahead and put a little dabs on here.
And the boss. We need to swim and the boss.
Yes, Calyx.
Swim and the boss.
Put a few dabs. You see, I removed the masking tape. And we're just gonna go ahead and hit this with the polish now. Alright guys, well, this is the final result. As you can see, it's pretty clear now. This is about 4 to 5 passes again with the polisher, and this is the compound I had used to polish all the lens, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. It does take a little time. So, you know, took me about total 45 minutes to an hour, but I am very, very happy with the results. This should help you guys out. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, dislike if you don't like this video. But yep, thank you for watching. You guys have a blessed day.